What's going on, guys? Ken here from Ken V's Journal, and today I'm gonna make an attempt to take off the side fenders inside and outside. So yeah, stay tuned.
I am good.
Next, what we're gonna do is unbolt all these bolts around the fenders. We're gonna tackle those bolts and then move on to the next step. You have to be very careful when screwing these bolts due to the rust. So if you know you got rust, just be careful unbolting.
Yay.
What's going on, guys? Back again. So we ran out of daylight. We got both sides fenders and inner fenders and outer fenders out, and tomorrow's another day and we'll be replacing the new ones. We already got the shipment already came in for the other ones, so those were delivered and they should be installed tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned, more to come. What's going on, guys? Back again. So it's now the morning and we have, these are our fenders, inner and outer fenders. Ordered these parts from LMC Truck. You might want to check them out. That is LMC Truck.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Definitely lighter and a different material than the original part. You're gonna be my cameraman today?
I wanna help too.
You're nowhere to be found.
Don't scratch it. It's already dented. Look at that.
Whoa. Give them a 3.5 stars for that.
Yeah.
Ready to get started?
Yeah. Are you?
Let's get started.
Okay. She's looking good, Mr. Smith.
Oh yeah. Got the new outer fender and inner fender back on, so
Let me take a peek.
getting her dress back on. Yeah, now that we got the front fenders and the inner fenders complete, we're gonna be changing the tires and wheels. Bring a wheel?
Yeah. Yeah.
Want me to open the front? You open the front?
Yeah. Hey,
Yeah, I got burp.
got my seatbelt on and I'm cuddling too. What? We cuddling. We're watching like a movie.